The Rapink Patch Panel 24 Port Cat6A exemplifies a robust and well-crafted networking solution designed to meet the high standards expected by IT professionals and infrastructure designers. Its key features include support for Cat6A connections with backward compatibility for Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat7 cables, ensuring versatile implementation in various setups. The Inline Keystone module is efficient and simplifies cable management while ensuring a reliable connection, bolstered by its 10G data rate capability. Additionally, the patch panel incorporates STP shielding to minimize crosstalk and electromagnetic interference. Its 19-inch rack-mountable design and removable back bar enhance ease of installation and flexibility. This product aligns with industry standards, making it an excellent choice for network construction and upgrades in office, home, or enterprise environments. With superior quality and thoughtful engineering, the Rapink Patch Panel ensures durability and performance, a sound investment for an efficient and future-proof cabling system.